Do you know the top 5 shares that perform well in the month of January 2025 in terms of Ghana stock market? I'm going to share with you the top 5 shares in this video. If today is the very first time you're watching my video, please try and share this link with somebody else. Share the video with somebody. Follow my YouTube channel, Patrick TVGH, to know about investment and anything money. So let's go straight into the top 5 shares that performed very well between 31st December 2024 and then the end of January 2025. So let's look at the shares from the best and to the fifth in terms of the increase in the share price. That is also an indication of how these shares are performed. If you had an investment with them, the increment on your share value over the period of time. So the first share that performed very well in the month of January 2025 is ETI. ETI is Ecobank Transnational Incorporation. At the end of December 2024, the share price was 31 pesos. But at the end of January, it moved to 40 pesos. That's about 29% increase in the share price of ETI. The second is Cowbank. Cowbank ended December with 35 pesos per share. Currently, the end of January, the share price has moved to 41 pesos, and that's about 17% increase in the share price. The third company that performed very well on the stock market is MTN Ghana. MTN Ghana ended December with 250 pesos per share. Currently, at the end of January 2025, it has moved from 250 pesos to 275 pesos. That's about 10% jump in the share price over the period of time. So if you invested in MTN shares, you would have seen that the share price value has gone up within the period that we are looking at. The fourth company that performed very well on the stock market is Access Bank. Access Bank ended December 2024 with a share price of 520 pesos. At the end of January 2025, the price has moved from 520 pesos to 572 pesos. That's also about 10% increase in the price of a share if you had shares in the Access Bank. The fifth performing share within the same period is GOIL. So GOIL ended December 2024 with a share price of 1.52 pesos. At the end of January 2025, that had moved from 1.52 pesos to 1.59 pesos, and that's about 4.6% over the period. So guys, these are the top 5 shares that performed very well in the month of January. That's from 31st December 2024 to 31st January 2025. So if you wanted to know the shares that are performing, I get that calls a lot. These are the top 5 performing shares. There are other shares that the price have remained the same over the period of time. Others have had their share prices drop. So if you are going into the share market, keep at the back of your mind that it takes a bit of time. It is not a quick fix investment. Sometimes your investment can go down in terms of your share price, and other times the share price can go up. So if you are going to that market, understand the market, ask questions from the brokers before you go ahead to do this kind of investment. So guys, if you want to buy shares, as I always say, you cannot walk to, let's say, MTN, go to buy the shares. You can only buy the shares through a broker. So a stock broker will help you to open a brokerage account. You find the account, then you put an indication of the share that you want to buy, and they'll help you to buy the shares. That's the process of buying shares in Ghana, and that's why every video I do on updates of share prices, I add the process so that you can go ahead and buy the share that you want. Whether you are buying MTN, you deliver, Go, Access Bank, the process is the same. Some companies like IC Wealth, they have their app that you can do this process online. You don't need to go to their office to do that, and other institutions. So please, if you want to buy shares, this is a very simple process. Please share this video to educate somebody.